you're all okay. Now I'm going to do the sound of the week, and this week the sound of the week is k, 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 k. So here we go, pinky pointers. Are you ready? It goes curl around the caterpillar. And again, curl around the caterpillar. So we're going to do these ones this week. So it's curl around the caterpillar. So I've got my paper and pen here. Take my lid off. So Mel's going to do it as well. Okay, so we go curl around the caterpillar. And again, curl around the caterpillar. Shall I do one more? Okay. Curl around the caterpillar. So there's my sound. It's the same as this. Curl around the caterpillar. Now I've got some things that start with the sound. Now I have got a nice, can you see it? It's a carrot. I have something else. It's a cucumber. Now I've got this big friend with me. Do you reckon you can guess what it is? Can you see what it is? What do you think that is? Have you got it? It's a crab. And I've got one more. Now this animal starts with the sound k, and it lives in a field or on a farm, and it goes moo. Have you got it? It's a cow. Well done. So let's see whether you can find some things that start with the sound for curl around the caterpillar. Okay? And if you do find some things that start with the sound k, put it on tapestry. All right, you take care. Bye.